The mathematician explains his problem to a committee of experts. The first thing to do is to make a list of the library subroutines that will be needed. A subroutine for quadrature, one for the exponential function. A member of the committee interrupts to point out that there is a more suitable exponential routine available. A read routine and a print routine. The committee proceeds to discuss the programming of the problem. The programmer gets to work referring to the library catalogue as required. Here is the program sheet. The program is now checked and it is ready for punching. This is Margaret Hartree, who was my secretary at the time. She is in the course of punching the tape. And at the appropriate moment, she will go over to get one of the library tapes. This she copies mechanically onto the tape that she is preparing. The recommended practice, not always followed, was for a program tape to be punched twice and the resulting tapes to be compared mechanically. She finishes off the tape and takes it over to a comparator to compare it with the other tape. As long as the two tapes are identical, the comparator runs, but if there were a discrepancy, it would stop. She takes the tape to the computer room, attaches a tape ticket, and puts it on the job queue. Meanwhile, the EDSEC is running on some other problem, and the operator is waiting for the results to come out. Output was not quite as voluminous in those days as it is now. She puts it in the rack, takes our program tape, and puts it in the photoelectric tape reader. The instructions are being read and going into the store. The next tank. Now numbers are being read, and here you see the numbers in the store changing as the calculation proceeds. These are all short numbers occupying half a word. While the program is running, we are shown some shots of the EDSEC. The storage tanks are in a thermostatically controlled oven. Panels showing some of the vacuum tubes. Back of panel wiring. A shot from above. The results are now coming out. This is one of the other programmers coming in for her results, but she must have made a mistake. We used to use for debugging a trace routine that would print the function letter of each instruction as it was executed. Our programmer collects his results. He is joined by the mathematician, and apparently all is well.